To get reimbursed for covered medical expenses, you'll need to file a claim with your insurance administrator. Not sure how to do that? Let's walk through the process together. Step 1. Download and complete the claim form. Make a copy of your passport and medical bills and submit to your claims administrator. Remember to make copies for your records. You'll want to file a claim as soon as possible. The window to submit is usually within 90 days from the date of service. Step 2. The insurance administrator reviews the claim. This process can take anywhere from several weeks to a few months. Step 3. If your claim is approved, you'll be reimbursed via the payment method selected on your form. If your claim is denied, you'll have the option to appeal. The review process can be confusing, but the claims assistance specialists at Visitors Coverage are here to help.